All right, this is going to be a quick video on how to use the shape tool, the shape builder tool in Illustrator. So the shape builder tool it looks like two little circles with an arrow pointing to it. If you hover, it'll be the shape building tool. And what the shape building tool is, and you can see kind of how it's working on the side there, is it allows you to overlap certain shapes and drag a line through them and combine them. So let's take a look at some examples here. So sometimes when you are drawing in Illustrator, sometimes you build more complex shapes out of simpler shapes. So for instance, take a look here. I just have two circles on top of a rectangle there. So how the shape tool works is you have to, first of all, click and drag to highlight the shapes that you want to merge. So if I want to only merge these, I highlight those. These will not be affected down here. So I'm going to click the shape tool, and you're going to notice, again, this stuff is not affected because I didn't highlight it. But over here, when I move my mouse, you're going to see kind of a gray hatch, it's called. So watch what happens when I click and drag through. I'm making a shape. So you can see that looks much different now. So if I click and drag, I just made an entirely new shape there out of basic shapes. Okay, so let's do this one as an example. So I'm going to highlight all of that, click the shape builder tool, click and drag through, click and drag through. Now I have an entirely new shape. Okay, so here's a more practical example. So if I'm a designer, maybe I'm going to design a heart. Okay, so typically I'd probably start with this. Go like that. Okay. I'm going to put this on an angle, copy and paste it, put this on an angle. Kind of looks like a heart. So I have a heart there. I just have a line through it. So highlight, shape builder tool, click and drag through. And now you have a nice little heart that you can use for whatever. So the shape builder tool is really useful. It works well for a lot of things. Sometimes you will have to kind of do it multiple times. There are some little quirks sometimes when using it, but that's the gist. The shape builder tool is very useful. I use it, all the time.